Oh yeah!
You like your eggs, homie, scrambled or boiled. Oh boy, oh, singer, chimichanga. Back in the days like Harriet and Chanza. Chicks dig my beats. We yell charge.
Yo, VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Invention something grabs a hold of me tightly. Like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop?
It didn't really work. Sushi. Do we have one more or is this?
One more. Oh, we're not done, ladies.
Good stuff. Really good stuff.
Ooh.
What is this?
Oh, wow.
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 What is that?
I don't know.
Wasn't it something salmon?
Yeah.
Cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Nå vi på vei ned igjen etter å ha vært oppe. Prøvde i hvert fall å gå på Angels Landing. Det var på veien her. Og nå har snøen begynt å smelte, for hvis du kan se der, så det fullt av snø på toppen. Og nå begynner det å renne ned som en foss. Som en foss. Nå skal vi se. Og der en dusj. Der dusjen, jeg vet ikke om vi kan se den.
You guys enjoy making movies, don't you?
Yeah, we do.
We do. We love making movies.
We're making
shower. You guys think out the way?
Yeah.
No, not. Oh.
Well, you can't get to the very, very end. You go up there to the top and there's still saddle.
Okay. Are you ready for this? I'm so ready. Okay. Come on. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, do you have any cell phones? I gotta run. Are you ready? Yep.